Okay, are you gonna open presents? Oh, I can't hear you.
Yes.
Yes? Who is that from?
Chloe.
Chloe, okay.
Can you open it?
Yes, you can. Thank you for asking. 弟弟，你幫唔幫手啊？
More there for you. Rip it.
You rip it? Wow! Let me see. What is it?
Little mermaid.
Little mermaid. Wow, and she has a crown.
And she has earrings and she has shoe necklace and then she has a belly button.
Wow.
It's the same thing.
Do you have one like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's like the same thing but it's not.
Yeah. This one's a little bit different, right?
Yeah.
What's different about it?
It has purple one and white earrings and white hair and it has a crown and it has a tail.
Yours has a tail too.
Yeah.
Okay, you can open one more present. You pick one.
Nicky.
Oh, you remember that's from Nikki?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I saw him before.
Yeah, did he come to your party?
Yep.
Yeah. Who else came? Who was with Nikki? Who came with Nikki? What's Nikki's little brother's name?
Lucas.
Lucas, that's right. Who else do you know that's named Lucas?
The dog.
The dog, yeah.
And the new friend is too.
Oh.
My new friend.
You have a new friend named Lucas? 弟弟，你係咪食緊 pizza 啊？係啊，好唔好食啊？
Let's go look what she gave me.
Wow. That's a big present. Show us, what's in there?
Bunny.
Oh, a bunny. Wow.
No more?
Well, you said 3. And how many did you open?
3.
3. Can you open more later?
1. Mom, did it hurt? 2.
Well, I asked you how many you want to open. You said 3, right?
Mom, did it hurt?
Oh, yeah. Okay, you want to pick one more? One more, okay. And then that's it.
Mama, did it hurt?
你又開啊？OK，你開藍色嗰個啊。